And when it's going to happen. It's kind of a hard job.
I have some of those answers too, Neil. Believe it or not, a meteorologist has those answers.
Some is better than none.
Exactly. But two main things in all seriousness, Neil. Severe weather possible tonight, and then of course everybody's talking about the Arctic air that will be arriving at some point late Sunday. Like the front itself is going to arrive Saturday, but I think the coldest air will start to arrive as we move into Sunday. Now, as we look at Tyler, we are dealing with a few passing clouds. It's warm, it's humid, it's also windy. Those ingredients will combine to give us that threat of severe weather. We're also tracking a front to our west, but there are your temperatures: upper 60s, lower 70s, warmer in deep East Texas. And here's the culprit. Warm front has now moved off to the north. That's going to allow this cold front to move very quickly across the Lone Star State this evening, arriving very early tomorrow morning here in East Texas. So let's go ahead and take this hour by hour. A few showers and thunderstorms possible. By 9 o'clock, we will be watching for any individual supercells to take shape here. Those will move from southwest to northeast. Again, this is a big if these storms can get together. They would have the highest potential of being very severe and would have the highest potential of producing a long track tornado. But those quickly move off to the northeast by 10 o'clock. And then we are dealing with the front still to the west of DFW. That's 11. Not a lot going on in East Texas, but watch what happens to our west. Showers and thunderstorms, they begin to congeal into a line. This is 1 o'clock Friday morning. You can see those storms to our west. They start to move in by 2 o'clock, seeing those showers and thunderstorms from Athens, Tyler to Longview. And then by 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, we do start to see these shift to the east of Highway 69. The front is still to the west, but anywhere, if you're west to the front, your severe weather threat's over, but we will be watching for any individual supercell thunderstorms that begin to form. That's 3 o'clock, and then by 4 o'clock, the broken line of storms moves off to the east, and we've got cold and dry air in the forecast for your Friday. This is a level 2 slight risk for most of us. The exception to that is the Arklatex region, where we are under an enhanced risk. That is the Jefferson, Lake of the Pines, Cass County area, and pointing off to the northeast from Texarkana, almost all the way up to Little Rock. But for the timing, it's 11 to 2 for our far western counties, 1 to 4 for our central counties, and it's 3 to 6 as you get a little closer to Louisiana there. As we head into Futurecast on Sunday, this is what happens. Front, it will have already moved through by 9 o'clock Sunday morning, and because of that, it's going to get a lot colder. Now watch what happens with the precipitation as we move into late in the day Sunday. This is 1 o'clock. Snow along the Red River, nothing here in East Texas. So if you're driving to church Sunday morning, it's not going to be a problem. Just pack that jacket if you need it, because you will. As we head into about 1 o'clock Monday, freezing rain possible, and that will continue to be the case through most of Monday morning. So here are the next 7 days. Again, we have that severe weather threat tonight. It moves out by daybreak tomorrow morning. We get to 48 tomorrow afternoon, so it will be a chilly one. We're at 56 Saturday, and then we do have that wintry mix threat Sunday night into Monday. We're at 32 Tuesday, 47 Wednesday, 56 Thursday. Deep East Texas, same deal, dealing with that severe weather threat prior to daybreak, but we'll be at 60 Saturday and dry before that weather arrives Sunday into Monday. Neil.